The former Altoona School District superintendent is sentenced to federal prison for possession of child pornography. 34-year-old Dan Peggs was sentenced this afternoon in U.S. District Court in Madison to 8 years in prison, 2 years less than the maximum he faced, and 10 years of supervised release. WEAU's Maria Blau was in the courtroom this afternoon and has the latest.
Now my healing can begin. Those were the sentiments behind the victim's statement that she read before the judge and before Dan Peggs today at his sentencing here in this federal courthouse in downtown Madison. Now today the judge said that this was not a typical case of child pornography that he has seen before, and he had said that Peggs does pose a risk to public safety. So while his defense team was arguing for no prison, the prosecution was arguing for the maximum sentence. The judge settled with 8 years in prison and 10 years of supervised release. And the reason for the 10 years, the judge says, is that Peggs' children will be adults by the time that those 10 years are up. Now, he is not being ordered to pay a fine, but within 90 days, both the defense and the prosecution have to come up with a plan for restitution for the victim. And Peggs will also have to register as a sex offender for 15 years under the federal requirements. Now, today, Peggs did not leave the courtroom to immediately start that sentence of 8 years. Instead, he will be able to spend the holidays with his family. He has to report to prison on January 6th. In Madison, Maria Blau, WEAU 13 News.